Hello and welcome to my video. You're probably wondering how I became an elf on the shelf. In this video, you'll be able to see step by step how I created this look. Like this video, comment down below a Christmas tree emoji, share this video with friends and family, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Now, let's get started. Thank you guys so much for watching and happy holidays. Hello, I'm gonna create elf on the shelf look. Ooh, 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 ooh. I put my hair up because it's gonna be intense. We need to put the hair up and we need a headband. And what better headband than a festive one, okay? And let's get started with the eyebrows. We're gonna be brushing these eyebrow hairs with a glue stick because you know what that means. That means that we're going to cancel out the eyebrows because we're gonna become elves on the shelf. I'm gonna create the pelitos, the little hairs in front of the forehead that the elf on the shelf has. Woo. Now that's done. That's just an outline. I look crazy, but you just gotta deal with it. Going to apply the face color. Elves on the shelf again have baby skin. So we're gonna go for that flawless look. Now going to cancel out the eyebrows. I'm gonna use a sponge because I don't want to ruin my brushes. We're not gonna do that. My eyebrows are setting, and while that's happening, I'm going to apply my eyeshadow. What a look, though. America's Next Top Model. Is this, wait, Tyra would say go like this. Back. I feel like I'm starting to look like the Mona Lisa. Ooh, yes. We're looking historic. Now going to apply some white liner. Now apply white liner on the waterline. Now we're going to apply brown underneath the waterline. So underneath the white that we just applied. Now going to highlight the face. Still highlighting the face. I highlighted here, 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 and here. We're almost almost done. Now that I've highlighted my face and contoured my face, I'm going to add some color. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm gonna add orange blush. Now that the blush is on, it's time for the lips. Now going to draw the hair and the eyebrows and highlight all of that as well. Woo! Now it's time for the lashes. Look at the difference. Look at the difference lashes make. That's crazy. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, comment down below, and share with your friends and family. Have a happy holiday, everybody. I really hope you enjoy this video. I know I had a lot of fun creating it.